Don't do it. Don't do it. That will
No
cause us
minimization. Just click the screen.
will cause us all to have seizures. Click the screen.
Wait, now I want to know.
It will. If you minimize it, when you then try to stop recording, this big bright green rectangle appears on the screen and just starts flashing and flashing and flashing, and you can't get anything else to pop up on the screen. It's horrible.
Quinn's like, let's do
That's
it.
why I had such a strong reaction when you tried to minimize.
We all had to go home.
That's right. Between the heat and the seizure-inducing green flashing rectangle, math class is going to be the death of you all.
The whole year, Damon, Quinn, and Jordan have all been going home after geometry for some strange reason.
Next year, we're gonna have math class at the end of the day.
All right, addition. What are you going to add to that?
Add it, Quinn.
E.
Could you just? Well, we already tried
We already
putting
have an E though. So.
E and G. We in parentheses. But
Okay.
That
Do
didn't
that.
work.
We did. That didn't work.
But you have to add something.
Oh, I see what you.
You have
Oh,
to
I see.
or
What you,
it with.
no,
We did do that.
we did
though.
or. I did or in, and it just said no. It said exactly one premise must be used with add.
You probably didn't put line 1 in.
I
You
did.
didn't tell it you used
Oh,
line 1.
Quinn.
I did.
Quinn.
No, he did.
Oh,
I
maybe you
did.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it again. I have no idea.
So do I do or?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you want? L.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
L. Yeah, that was
Alright, and go over there and say line 1.
Add. Don't give me trouble today. What?
Oh, so you
It
didn't
didn't like
do it.
N.
You didn't do the number last time.
He did the number.
I don't
No,
think
I
I
didn't.
spaced it.
Alright.
Oh, you missed a space.
Conjunction. No, yeah.
Same.
Conjurer. Okay.
So we've got a P and a Q. You can make it a P and Q.
God.
You know,
Not B.
Uh-huh.
I think you have to use both of those, 1 and 2.
Yeah. But B. Okay. F. Could we just do not B and F?
Well,
Nope.
Nope.
We don't know that F is true.
Oh.
We know that
F
F
could
or
be
N
false.
is true.
So you could do it in parentheses.
Yep.
yes.
So it's not F.
F or N
Okay.
and
F or N.
not B.
And not B.
Okay. Now make sure you put your line in the correct order because you're using F or N as your P. So that has to be the first thing. So it should be 2, 1. See if it'll allow this.
Well, that's
Woo!
See, now if you had just put 1, 2, I think it would have told you it was wrong.
because it would have been the wrong way.
Because it does not allow
It does
for the
not
commutative
allow.
and. I don't know why.
C D C D.
Constructive dilemma. That's what
Constructive
CD
dilemma.
stands for.
How is a dilemma constructed?
So I don't know. Well, you can learn something from it.
Yep. From this.
I told you all about my spelling of dilemma, right?
No.
There are apparently very small pockets of the world where the word dilemma is spelled with an N, and I grew up in one of those small pockets.
Wait, dilemma. Where would
Dilemma
the N
with an
be?
N. Lemna, which makes absolutely no sense if you think about the roots of the word, but that is how I was
Lemna.
taught how to spell it, and how I've spelled it all my life, and my husband laughs at me every time I suggest that it might actually be spelled with an N. I went out a couple weeks ago with my sister, who grew up in the same place as me, and my cousin, who grew up fairly close to where I grew up, and mentioned this to them, and they were like, of course it's spelled with an N, why would you spell it differently? So we looked it up, and there are, like, in Illinois, there are places, or no, not, yeah, Illinois, there's some places where they spell it with that way, and apparently where I grew up, and Australia, there are, but it's this weird word that has this very regional
Whoa.
misspelling.
That's cool.
So it's whatever, like, major teachers, they're like.
It's just one of those things that's got
In
me
Australia,
down.
they add N and B and silent
And mate.
E's everywhere.
And mate.
They mate.
It's like in
And
Canada
mates.
where you say you said A.
My grandpa says A. He's never been to Canada.
Is he from like
Wait, figure it out.
Minnesota?
Minnesota.
He's from Arizona.
Huh.
Arizona.
Alright, so constructed dilemma. We have 2 implications joined by an and.
Mhm.
Okay, so we have actually 2 versions of those. And then we have an or statement that contains the antecedents So, our or statement that we have contains the antecedents of line 2 or line 3?
Line 2.
Line 2, okay, which allows us to conclude the disjunction, the or statement of
This
the
disjunction is
It's like
consequence.
the consequence.
Yes, so what is the disjunction of the consequence of line 2? Disjunction means
The disjunction of the consequence
Yes.
of line 2.
yes, you need to
Not
go home and
L
tell your
and
parents.
M.
I learned how to write this disjunction of the
L
consequence
or
of
M,
a constructed
not
dilemma
L
in
or
We don't talk about
geometry.
math at my
not
house
L
either.
Oh, I see
or
what you mean.
M, not L.
Okay, disjunction means or, and consequent means the second half of the if-then statement. So perfect.
And we just we
1 and
and 2.
2 and 1 and 2 and space.
Can't you just press enter?
Oh, that's a good
Alright,
idea.
Jordan.
I know.
You're
We
taking.
finished the whole problem set. Excellent.
Oh,
So
we're good.
stop recording if we were recording.
Stop recording.
I told your mom yesterday that I was